Chuck, this is a concern. Anybody who's thinking about purchasing a home from a for sale by owner, please listen up. Cameron put down 5,000 on a for sale by owner home recently, and in the email, Cameron is saying after inspections, I guess she backed out of the deal. Inspections were not good, but the seller is saying, "Hey, sorry, I already spent your money." So
Yeah.
now, what legal options does Cameron have in this? And
Well,
again,
provided that with FSBOs, frequently they will not have decent contracts.
mhm.
Okay. So that's the first part. If your contract allows you to get the deposit back if inspections didn't go well, and they've already spent the money. Well, first off, you shouldn't have given it to them, obviously. Give it to an agent, give it to an attorney to hold in escrow, that kind of thing. But if the money's gone, well, we know they have an asset, and they can be sued for the money and then have that attached to the property. So that's one way to go about it. It's around the bend, but a judgment lien against them would be good for 10 years now, and during that time it's gathering interest, and at some point you could actually try and enforce it against the real estate. So
Chuck, a cost of filing a lien, because again, remember we're talking five
but
thousand
it's not
dollars.
just filing a lien. You can't just go and file a lien. Okay. You'd have to sue them for the dollar amount. Say, hey, you were supposed to give me back the 5,000. You didn't. Okay. Get a judge to agree, sign a judgment, and then you record the judgment lien. Once that's recorded, you've got a 10-year period during which time it's gathering interest. Yeah, it can get a little costly,
So that's
and
what I'm asking. So, like total all in, with everything involved, is it worth it then just to walk away and not go after the
uh,
5 grand?
what was now 5 grand? Couple grand to get the judgment, maybe somewhere in that neck of the woods. It's not a difficult process, okay, to get the judgment,
Yeah.
unless the contract is no good and you've got to get in front of a judge and you got to argue and all that kind of stuff. I've done that with deposits before, and it's usually pretty straightforward. But like I said, it's all going to be based, and the cost is going to be based on the quality of the documents from the beginning. The big point being, don't just, go with a FSBO and grab a contract offline. Call
Mhm.
somebody that actually is in the business to get it put together.
Yep. Good point. Very good point.